Okay, so this is what my vanity has been looking like lately. After doing my hair and nails this weekend, everything just kind of ended up everywhere. And I've been putting off cleaning it. Living in a small space, it doesn't take much for things to start looking cluttered. So I knew I needed to reset this area. This is actually the vanity I recently got, and I was really excited about it because I wanted something that could hold everything in one place without taking up too much space. Putting it together was pretty straightforward, and I already loved how clean and simple it looked. But clearly, we're not there right now, so let's fix this. I started by taking everything off so I could see what I actually had. And of course, there was way more than I thought. Nail stuff, hair products, skincare, everything just mixed together. I gave everything a quick wipe down because I always feel better starting with a clean surface. One thing I really like about this vanity is how much storage it actually has without feeling bulky. The jars made it really easy to separate everything. I gave my nail products their own space, my hair products another, and then kept my skincare where I can grab it daily. And the middle jar is probably my favorite. It comes with built-in organizers, so I didn't have to buy anything extra to keep things neat. The glass top is also really nice because I can see exactly where everything is without digging through the jars. This is honestly what I needed. Just a simple, organized space where I can sit down and do my hair, my nails, or my skincare without everything feeling chaotic. This already looks so much better, and it didn't even take that long. Everything finally has a place and it just feels a lot more put together. If you're working with a small space like me, but still want something functional and cute, this setup definitely made a difference. But yeah, this was my little vanity reset. I feel so much better now that it's done. I'll link everything down below and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a blessed day. Mwah.